English for beginners. Listening practice. My best friend. Using the simple present and adverb of time. This is Panda J. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Julie and my best friend is Hannah. We are always together. We are both 23 years old and we are in the same class. Hannah lives in the same street as me and we like to spend our free time together. When we have a break in school, we sometimes play skipping and sometimes we just sit and chat. We always walk home together and talk about our homework. When I am doing my homework and I don't understand a question, I often call Hannah for help and we do it together. After we have finished our homework, we always chat on the computer before we go to bed. We never go to sleep without speaking. At the weekends, we usually go to the mall. Hannah always wants to go shopping, but I often like to do other things, like skating or going to the cinema. We plan our day together and rarely disagree. She often sleeps over on Saturdays. We watch TV or a film together and we usually eat popcorn or sometimes we have a pizza. We both like to wear casual clothes, jeans and t-shirts, and sometimes we swap clothes. If I want to wear some jeans, I often borrow a t-shirt from Hannah because she has some cool clothes. She never complains and she often borrows my caps. Hannah has a little brother, Charlie, who's 9 years old. Sometimes he can be annoying and he takes her things without asking her. I don't have any brothers or sisters, so Hannah is like my sister. Our parents often say we are like twins as we are so alike.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, then subscribe to the channel and get free English lessons for you, your friends and family. To learn more, keep watching the next video and share the link if you can. Let's learn English for fun.